welcome back to my channel, Yoshika Sherry Funhouse. And today we're gonna make some delicious, easy brownies. And before we get started, press the like button and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. You done it? 1, 2, 3. Good. Let's get started. The first step, I put 2 eggs into the bowl. Now we're gonna whisk it. I have beaten the eggs. Now I'm gonna add 3/4 cup of sugar. Now I'm gonna whisk it. I have beaten this mixture for 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of room temperature butter. Now we're going to whisk it. The butter is well combined with the egg mixture. Now I'm going to add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. Now I'm gonna mix it. I figured out that using a spoon makes it a lot more slower. So I'm gonna whisk it. The cocoa powder is well combined. Now I'm gonna add 1/2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of flour. Let's mix it. I'm done mixing it. This is not like ordinary cake batter because it's a little thick. Let's transfer it into the cake mold. Now I'm gonna add some chocolate chips because I like chocolate, but it's not necessary. Usually I bake it in the oven, but today I'm gonna bake it in the microwave. Now the brownie has cooled. Let's taste it. It is so flavorful and it's so appetizing. Let's try the brownies with vanilla ice cream. It is super and it's awesome. Hope you enjoyed this video.